Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Knitting for Baby. This is going to be my first knitting video in a series of videos that I'm going to do to teach you how to knit. I'm going to keep it basic and simple. I know a lot of people like the simplicity of my crochet videos, so I'm going to keep the same style here in my knitting channel. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to teach you is how to cast on your stitches using a crochet hook. It's very easy. This is what it looks like when you do it with a crochet hook. There it is. And here's another one. This is cotton yarn, and that's what it looks like there. I'm also going to show you how to knit and how to purl, and then show you how to do the garter stitch. And notice how my edges are nice and straight, and I'm also going to show you that in my videos. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, to begin, I'll be using these wooden 8mm knitting needles and a 5.5mm crochet hook. You can use any hook. I like to use a hook that's a little bit big when I'm using bigger knitting needles. Okay, and then I'm using this bulky number 5 yarn. And the first thing that you need to do is we need to make a slip knot. I usually make a circle and then pull this through and then pull. And here's my slip knot. Okay, so once we have our slip knot, you're going to insert it through your hook, just like this, and then pull. Make sure that it's nice and loose and not tight, okay? And now I'm going to grab one of my knitting needles and I'm going to put it next to my crochet hook. And then here, what I'm going to do is I have my first loop on my hook, and then I'm going to grab a loop and then bring it through this first loop like this. Here's our first stitch. Then your yarn is going to go under, and then again you're going to pull a loop and pass it through this loop that you have on your hook like this. And then again your yarn is going to go under, and then pull another loop and pass it through this loop on your hook, and then your yarn is going to go under again, pull a loop, yarn under, 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 pull a loop, and yarn under. And this is all you're going to do until you have however many stitches you need for your project. In this case, let's say this is all I need. So this last stitch that I have on my hook, all you're going to do is you're going to pull it and then put it over your needle like this, see, like that, and then let go of your hook and then pull, and now it's ready. And this is how you cast on using a crochet hook.